What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am out here working on this day and night. It's the ion system. It is the multi-stage equipment that they offer, and this is it's a big construction job. This is I did the original startup last week, and there was some big issue going on with the TXV. If you can see here, look at the suction, look at the liquid. The suction is way too low. The static was normal. The filters were brand new. The airflow is fine. And if you can see, this is what normal pressures look like here, because there's another unit right next to it, and another one on the other side. And this is what the pressures are supposed to be, or close to them, on the suction side at least. If I can pull it up here. See, so the suction should be much higher because it's super hot in this home. You know, it's probably 90 degrees inside. No, 80, probably 88 degrees, somewhere around there inside the home. So the suction should be much higher, okay? And it was a little bit hotter last time I was here. But the suction is what's going on, is the TXV is not opening. So, and the superheat was, of course, nothing. Or sorry, the superheat was pretty darn high. I think it was 50, and the liquid, the subcooling was like 20. Okay, so it's obviously got way too much refrigerant on the liquid side and not enough refrigerant in the suction side, which means that the indoor TXV is not opening up. Okay, I've done plenty of videos on how to do that. This is not really for that reason. This video is simply to show you that manufacturers throughout the board are having issues, and I've caught on that, or we've caught on as a company, that right now there is TXV issues with the day and nights on startup. See there again, boom boom, right? So let's go ahead and change out that TXV, and I will show you the after of when I'm all done and what the real pressures should look like. So let's do it. And there's the culprit right there. Yup. It's not hard to change out, but just the fact that you have to do it on a new one. And this is the new one, and this is the old one. You can see they're probably different brands. They're definitely different model numbers. It shows you something's up with these TXVs, you know. Alright, well, I got this bad boy on there nice and tight already. Nitrogen checked it and checked it with bubbles, and it's on a vacuum right now. So I'm just gonna put this together, put the door back on, and this has to goes on the suction line with a clamp, and then you insulate it with foam tape. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll start it up and double check that the diagnosis was correct. All right, y'all, so we ended up doing it. Ended up putting the new TXV, put it back together, and now I'm starting it up. Check out these pressures. Night and day difference, right? I haven't done my subcool yet because it obviously is a TXV, so we need to do the subcooling that's inside of that chart. But I had already weighed in the charge, which is what they recommend before you check the subcooling, to get close, and it's pretty close, I'm sure. But yeah, this is just another video to show y'all kind of what we're running into. That even though this is their premier line, This is Day and Night's premier multiple stage line, right? And you know, I don't want y'all to think that, hey, I'm bashing them, or I don't like Day and Night or anything like that. I do think they're a solid company. Just shows you that everyone right now in today's manufacturing is making mistakes, some more than others. Some brands are having problems with electrical more than refrigeration side, and some are having more problems with refrigeration side and less with their electrical. You kind of end up picking your poison in a way. But yeah, I mean, Day and Night I think is a very solid brand. Right, it's kind of like right in the middle. It's not the choice that I went with my personal home in both scenarios when I had to change out the system for the home I have now and the one I had previously. But I have recommended this to, you know, family members who, you know, are on a budget and can't really, or they're not wanting to spend money on a premier line. I tell them that this is a solid option for the money. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out. Gotta throw this in there because someone's always gonna want to see the results. Come on. Alright, well, there you can see the pressure's much better. Subcooling is much better. Superheat, it's flooding the indoor coil right now because, like I said, it's super hot inside of the space there, and the humidity is really high today because of all the monsoons. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, y'all, see you next time. Peace.